Super clean 99 factory supercharged Saleen, only has 14,000 miles. Great color combo. Let's see what it does on the open road. This car may look familiar to some of y'all, and that's because it's one that I've actually had the pleasure of enjoying before. Sold it to a really good customer, played with it for a little bit, and was ready for something else, so always have no problem bringing back in fantastic lower production cars, just like this 99 supercharged Saleen. It's an extremely clean car front to back, rare combination with this color setup. And it only has 14,767 actual miles. It's a clean Carfax, clean auto check, no accidents or damage reported. Has its original supercharged 4.6, making 350 horse and 410 foot-pounds of torque, backed by the 5-speed manual transmission, both of which motor and transmission function like stock setups. Clutch feels great, zero complaints from anything there. It's a car you could drive every day if you want to and performs like it did from when it came from the factory at 14,000 and some change miles. Does everything we want this car to do. AC blows nice and cold. It works extremely well. I got it on the lowest setting right now because it's already freezing in here on a 90-some degree Texas morning. You have your 4-wheel disc brakes, you have your power rack and pinion steering, and then this one does have aftermarket exhaust as far as a Borla catback, so it sounds really good going down the road. Pulls well. Again, these are some of the most fun cars you're going to drive. I wouldn't say they're as aggressive as the Terminators. Obviously, the Terminators have a little bit more horsepower, a little bit less torque. At least that's what they're rated from the factory. These cars are still an absolute blast to drive. You can do a pulley, a tune, some simple things and get a whole lot more power out of them. But with the 350 and the 410, it runs great. On the interior, it is the XW coated charcoal interior. This one is the standard bucket seats, center console, white face Saleen gauges, headliner visors, no issues with really anything on the interior. Does now have the Saleen shifter handle on it, which looks great. It's got the little red badge on top of the shifter here, matches the little plaque on the center console here, which is really cool. AM, FM, cassette, CD changer stereo. You have your supercharged gauges for these sector supercharged cars. You got the boost and the intercooler gauges up top, which are both working. Power driver seat. All the plastics in here, door panels, carpet, seat covers, console lid, everything on the inside of this car, again, basically is like brand new. If I have to nitpick anything, there is a tiny little bit of leather wear on the driver's seat from just getting in and out, but it's inevitable. You're not gonna get that for a car you're actually gonna hop in and drive. So just a little bit of age on the leather, but it's minimal at best. And like you'd expect a low mileage car, everything on this thing is working, from the headlights to the taillights and everything in between. It is all working, ready to go. The Does It Work section, the clean Carfax, the clean auto check, the motor numbers, the VIN numbers, all of that stuff can be found in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Click on the inventory, click on this Saleen, go to the bottom of the page, and you'll see that additional media section there for you to check out all the extra stuff that we got. But we're gonna roll into it here a little bit. And it pulls fantastic, shifts through the gears really nice and easy, smooth clutch setup. It's a fun car to drive. As far as the underneath goes, it almost is too clean. The bottom of this thing is awesome. From the floors in the front all the way to the very back, it's in excellent condition. I see no problems of any kind. Obviously, you do have the aftermarket Borla exhaust in the back, but that's about it. Nothing else has really been messed with. Shows fantastic. On the exterior, it is code BZ, which is chrome yellow. Normally, I'm not a yellow guy, but the yellow on this car looks fantastic, especially with the wheel and tire combo. the trim, everything on this car just sets it off. It looks great. The paint quality is fantastic. You have a couple little touch-ups. There's a small little one on the side skirt over here on the driver's side. Other miscellaneous little imperfections, but it's all just super small stuff from driving a car 14,000 miles. You're gonna get a few little touch-ups here and there, but overall, cosmetically, this thing is fantastic. Wheels are in great shape. Tires are a Michelin tire. No problems with any of that. The little photos of the flaws can be found on the website, pcclassiccars.com, in that additional media tab. There's our boost gauge working like it should. This is a really nice car. I'm a huge fan of the way these cars look. Yes, I love my Terminators. I love the Mach 1s, but these Saleen cars, just the body kits, the wings on these, they just look tough. And again, being yellow, not something that we normally mess with, or you don't get a whole lot of them because they didn't make a ton of chrome yellow Saleens. It just looks a little different. It sets it apart from all the other ones that you will regularly see. As far as your suspension goes, it is the factory Racecraft suspension, which all performs great. It's a tight driving car, no shakes, no rattles, no pulls either direction. As you can see here, the steering is extremely responsive. You can go put this car on the track, have a lot of fun if you want to, keep it as a fun, lower mileage, collector grade Saleen, drive it every day. Whatever someone would want to do, this car is going to do it exactly how you want it to do it. Looking out through the windshield, just a few very minor imperfections in the glass. Side windows look great. Back glass is your rear defrost with your button over here, kicks on, kicks off. Rear view mirror is clear and easy to see out of. You have your power mirrors on the left and the right, which both function. You have your power windows and your power locks, all of which are functioning properly. Lock, unlock, you got your power window switches here and there. Your power driver seat moves forward, back, up and down like it should. The driving position is great. I'm 6 foot tall, fit in here really comfortable. Does have the stock style shifter in it, so it's a little bit of a longer throw, but it's still easy to find the gears. Nothing that I would honestly worry about replacing on this one. Roll into it here in a second. As far as inside the deck lid in the back, it's all factory back there. You have your key fob to open and close it. You just click the little button, works properly, or you can put the key in there and pop the deck lid. Both work exactly like they should. All of your interior, like the carpeting that these came with, shows fantastic. Doesn't look like anything's really ever been set back down in there and banging around. No problems in the back. As far as when you pop the hood, it's easy to open the hood. You have your first release inside on the kick panel area over here. And then you have your secondary release up under the hood. Engine bay's all factory, shows great in there. Nothing's been messed with. Factory supercharged 4.6, original driveline for this car. Inner fenders, firewall, all checks out nice. On the firewall, you have the matching Saleen tag, which matches the badge here on the center console, and that matches the original paperwork that we have. Factory supercharged car, factory chrome yellow, low miles, 14,772. Just a kick-ass, really good looking car from the late 90s. My disclaimer list is a couple touch-ups in the paint, and that's pretty much where that list stops for y'all guys. It's a great car. You can't really complain much about this one. It's a collector grade setup. Really, really fun car to drive. Get a whole lot of looks going down the road the way this car looks, no matter what color it is. And then obviously being chrome yellow, just a unique color setup. Normally this is where I tell you what I would do to them, but nothing for me to do on this one, y'all. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1999 supercharged Saleen Mustang with 14,773 miles. From myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the additional media tab on the website, and we will see you guys on the next video.